2026 Yamaha Stryker, the Chopper Dragon, is back. Leaks and big surprise. There was a time when chopper-style bikes ruled the streets, long forks, aggressive stance, and that raw, rebellious attitude. And right in the middle of that era, one name stood out: the Yamaha Stryker. Now in 2026, something unexpected is happening. Leaked reports, insider whispers, and shocking design hints suggest that Yamaha might be bringing back this legendary machine. But not just a comeback, a complete transformation. Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub HUB, where we bring you the most exciting bikes, latest leaks, and future machines before they hit the streets. And today, we're diving deep into what could be the most surprising comeback of the year: the 2026 Yamaha Stryker. Let's be honest, the original Stryker wasn't just a motorcycle. It was a statement. A bold, stretched-out chopper that screamed individuality. Low seat, long wheelbase, massive presence. It wasn't built for speed racing. It was built to dominate attention. But over time, the market changed. Adventure bikes took over. Sport bikes evolved. And choppers? They slowly faded into the background. Until now. Recent leaks suggest Yamaha is planning something big. And if these rumors are even partially true, this isn't just a revival. It's a revolution. Let's talk design first, because that's where the biggest shock comes in. The 2026 Yamaha Stryker is expected to retain its classic chopper DNA, but with a modern, aggressive twist. We're talking about a sharper fuel tank design, blacked-out components, LED lighting system, and possibly a redesigned front fork that looks even longer and more aggressive than before. Imagine this: a bike that still looks like a stretched chopper, but feels like it belongs in the future. That's exactly what Yamaha seems to be aiming for. And then comes the stance. Low, wide, dominating. This isn't a bike you ride quietly. This is a bike you arrive on. Every head turns. Every eye follows. That's the Stryker experience. Now let's get into the engine, because this is where things get really interesting. The original Stryker had a 1,304 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. Strong torque, smooth cruising, and that deep, satisfying exhaust note. But in 2026, that might not be enough. Leaks suggest Yamaha could upgrade the engine significantly, possibly moving towards a bigger displacement, or refining the current engine with better efficiency and power output. We could be looking at improved torque delivery, better fuel injection system, smoother throttle response, and a deeper, more aggressive exhaust sound. And let's be real, sound matters. A chopper without a powerful sound is like a lion without a roar. Now here comes the big surprise. Something nobody expected. There are rumors that Yamaha might introduce modern rider tech into the Stryker. Yes, on a chopper. We're talking about features like traction control, ABS braking system, ride-by-wire throttle, possibly even riding modes. Now think about that for a second. A classic chopper feel, with modern control and safety. That's a game changer. But the biggest question is, will it still feel like a real Stryker? Because that raw, mechanical feel, that connection between rider and machine, that's what made it special. And if Yamaha manages to keep that soul alive, while upgrading everything else, this could easily become one of the most iconic comeback bikes ever. Let's talk comfort, because long rides are what this bike is made for. Expect a low and comfortable seat, relaxed riding position, forward set foot controls, wide handlebars for that classic cruising feel. This isn't a city commuter. This is a highway king. And visually, this bike is expected to dominate. Matte black finishes, metallic color options, custom-style paint schemes straight from the factory. It might look like a custom-built chopper, but with factory reliability. Now pricing. Nothing officially confirmed yet. But if Yamaha positions it right, this could sit in a very competitive range in the cruiser segment. And that's important, because this bike isn't just for hardcore chopper fans. It could attract a whole new generation of riders. People who want something different, something bold, something that stands out in a world full of similar-looking bikes. And let's be honest, that's exactly what the Stryker does. It doesn't blend in. It dominates. Now imagine this scenario. You're riding down an open highway. Sun setting. Engine rumbling beneath you. Every twist of the throttle sends a wave of power through the machine. And people don't just see you. They notice you. That's not just riding. That's presence. If Yamaha actually brings this back in 2026 and executes it properly, this could revive the entire chopper category. Yes, seriously, because trends always come back. And right now, the market is ready for something bold again. But until Yamaha makes it official, we wait, we watch, and we speculate. So what do you think? Should Yamaha bring back the Stryker? Or should they leave it as a legend of the past? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Smart Drive Hub HUB, and turn on notifications, because we bring you the hottest bike leaks, reviews, and future machines before anyone else. Until next time, ride smart, stay bold, and keep chasing the machine that defines you.